Okay, now practically we've already seen it. Now let's prove it and let's see how exactly the formula is derived. I'm taking two resistances in series, battery, and I'm not taking a switch for now, but this is the circuit. So let's say this is our R1, this is our R2, this is your V. What do we know? We know that in a series circuit, why is it series? Because there's only one path for the current to flow. So it's series. So if there is a series circuit, the current will remain same. So basically there will be I flowing through the entire circuit. But what will be different? Voltage will be different. So voltage is different. What does that mean? So we can say that your supply voltage, that is V, should be equal to V1 plus V2, right? So if I add this, if I sum up the voltages for individual resistance, I should get the total supply voltage. So we already know the formula for Ohm's law. What does V stands for? V stands for IR. So can I say that V1 will be I times R1 plus I times R2. I know that the current is same, so I am going to take it as common. What do I get? R1 plus R2. V. So can I write this as V by I is equal to R1 plus R2. What is V by I? Nothing but resistance again. So finally what we get is, we get the equivalent resistance for a series circuit to be equal to R1 plus R2. That is your formula for series. Now we'll look at the parallel circuit. Let's take a parallel circuit now. So two resistances again. Both are in parallel with again a battery. So this is, let's say, R1, this is R2, this is V. What do we know? We know that the voltage is going to remain same here and the current is going to have multiple paths, so it is going to be different. Current starts flowing from the positive terminal. So it flows from here, it comes to this point and it has two different paths to flow. So till here it is I, this goes I1, this becomes I2. So for here, for R2 there is I2 that flows. For R1 of course there is I1 and both of them combine at this point and then become I again. So can I say that I is nothing but equal to I1 plus I2? We already know the formula for Ohm's law. V by I is equal to R. So what is I? I is nothing but V by R. So can I substitute it in this way? Voltage same, so V by R1 plus V by R2. So V is common and I take it as 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Now I'm going on the next page. So I by V is nothing but 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. What is I by V? We know V by I is supposed to be R. I by V is 1 by R. So 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So this is your equivalent resistance for a parallel circuit.